Day 4. I just stopped about 6.5 hours from the house, heading back because of the fires alone. So hopefully chickens are okay. Yeah, so I thought I'd have a couple more days of actually working on the place. I got the garage door to work. Furnace is working. All of the aviary is down. I left the frame. I figure the new owners, if they're smart, they'll just skin it with tin and they'll have a nice barn. It was rotting, and honestly it'll be cheaper for me to just rebuild something better here anyways. But that was my workcation. So it got cut short. Mother Nature. The Lord likes to do that. So I'm gonna go back. It works out anyways. I can go back and check on the chickens because I left them with probably 100 gallons of water and 200 pounds of feed. So they should have plenty. And the run opens up every morning for them. But with that mountain lion, I'm just hoping they're still there. Other than that, like I said, that was my workcation. I didn't even get a chance to get the pedal boat out on the lake. I did get the tractor all hooked up and ready to come. So it'll be nice to be able to mow the lawn. Anyways, well, you guys have a blessed day, and I'll talk to you next time on Cheaper Than Rent. I have to find a place to pull over. I hit the largest tumbleweed ever, and there's nowhere to pull over. This is my life. And I'm heading towards a fire.